Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a point of view test drive with the new Dacia Duster. This is the new generation model. It looks gorgeous. It's got the all new design, very robust, very modern, and as you can see we also have the gorgeous nature here, the Croatian seaside. So we are actually at the island of Murter. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this drive just as much as I will. Now here on the front you can see the new Dacia badge, which looks very nice, also very nice and robust bumper. Now moving on to the side, 4 meters 34 is the length of the car, and the 4x4 version has 217 millimeters of ground clearance, which is really impressive. And here you see the 18-inch wheels, very robust wheel arches. This is the special material from Dacia, and actually it will not get scratches easily. Even if you touch something, for example during the off-road drive, the scratches will not be visible. So that's really good. Now let me also show you the rear of the car, and by the way the rear door handle is here. And here you see the Y shape of the taillights and very pronounced styling. Let me show you from this angle. There we go. So look at this. Look how nice and robust does this look. Very modern, very cool design. I'm a huge fan. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And also you can see here the 4x4. So we have a very nice model here, and yeah, I will go on a point of view drive in a moment. And here, for example, look at this light. You have the U-clips around the car, and then you can mount various accessories that you can buy. Now I think without further ado we are ready to go on a point of view test drive. So let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, this is your view as a driver. Let me push the start engine button. Car comes to life, and let me put on my seat belt, and we are ready to go. We can put this view, look at this. So when you're driving you can see the degrees here and angles, very cool, and also the distribution of power. Now I will make a U-turn since we will go that way, and there's also the 4 cameras, so very nice and easy to maneuver. And let me show you those cameras here. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but yeah, very cool indeed. And let's go. We will start in this light off-road. Of course, no problem whatsoever for this car. It is so good on off-road. There's a separate video on my channel where you can see how capable the car is during the off-road drive. I will try to put it here so you can watch that video as well. We have different driving modes. We have 5 of them: snow, mud, sand, off-road mode, eco mode, and the automatic one. Now for example, if you put the off-road mode, there we go. So again, this is a light terrain for a car like this. And now off-road mode. Alright, and we made it to the road, and we are ready to continue our drive. I hope you will enjoy this, as you will see the roads are really nice, and of course we have such a nice car. So let's start with the new platform. The car sits on the new CMF-B platform, and that means electrification is possible, and we have it here. That also means that we have more space here inside, and also for the luggage, and also it means that the car has better driving characteristics. Now you may heard the beeping sound. It's the new safety regulation in Europe, so all the new cars need to have the warning, like the acoustic warning that you're driving over the speed limit. Now if you press this button here twice, you can activate the personal settings for the driver assist systems. So basically you adjust them before the drive or whenever you want, and then when you press this button you can just activate the settings, your preferred settings. Now the layout here, the 7-inch digital cockpit in front of the driver and the 10.1-inch screen on this model. Now we have the new infotainment system, which is very good and very responsive and easy to use. And also I must say that there are actually two top-of-the-line trims, so the Journey and Extreme. Here is the Extreme version, which is more like I would say robust, more like maybe for people that like outdoor activities, driving to the nature with the car. And then you also have the Journey trim, which is more urban. Again, they're both the top-of-the-line trims. Now the drive is so smooth. They really improved the driving characteristics. They also improved the isolation, so you can see that it is so nice and a real joy to drive this car. And this is the mild hybrid, 130 horsepower with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The car has got the 0.8 kilowatt-hour battery, and actually the battery helps the engine. It will not drive purely on electric power, so it's a mild hybrid where the electric power is used to help the petrol unit. And you can get this mild hybrid either with the 4x4 that we have here, or the front wheel drive one is available as well. And then other options include the Eco G, which is the LPG version, also very popular. And then there's also the hybrid, 140 horsepower hybrid powertrain is available as well. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain. And the mild hybrids come with the manual transmission, the 6-speed one, and then hybrid of course has the automatic one. Love the fact that the AC settings are here on switches, so it's very easy to operate them. And you can also configure different views on the digital cockpit. 7-inch digital cockpit. For the first time we have the digital cockpit on Duster, so very cool. And I also love this new steering wheel, looks very cool. And it's so nice to enter the corners, really goes very well in the corners. And again, the drive is so good, the driving characteristics. And now we go from the island back to the coast. We have this bridge here, so it is connected to the land. And of course, if you want more details about the infotainment system, you can watch my full review during the day, like the static one, where I show you all the details. And I love the details here inside. For example, look at the air vents. They have this Y shape like the exterior details, such as the front lights and the tail lights as well. And then also you have the Duster lettering here, giving the interior a robust look as well, I would say. Here is the wireless charging pad, the 12-volt power supply, and also we have the 2 USB-C ports here. And yeah, definitely a nice place to be. You also have the buttons here on top of the screen, the physical ones. You can then access minimal display, cleaning screen, or standby. And then these are here for the volume. Of course, you will need to turn on play for the radio or media. And then here is where you can adjust the volume, but you can also do it here next to the steering wheel. You have the special column mean, just look at those roads here. How nice is this? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? How do you like the new Dacia Duster? I think it's an amazing car, and also some amazing technology. I love the new design, and yeah, definitely a big thumb up from me. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye.